money is not God, but it is close to God.
Welcome to the short time. All right. My first question is
Yeah.
like related to camp. In ancient culture versus like modern dating, humans have evolved, right? In the digital age, now more people are consuming even adult contents in their quest of like intimacy. So, is camp like passion or obsession? What is the like your view about the thin line between desire and destruction, specifically on that topic?
So desire is something which we have physical needs, we have mental needs, we have emotional needs. So some people think physical needs are on top priority. So we have types of people. Some people focus on their dharma, some people focus on their artha, and some people focus on their kama. Because at the end, when you tasted everything in your life, then you feel satisfied and complete.
Correct.
Okay, so for the physical need, if you take it in a practical way, it is a body which needs to explore.
Correct.
Yes. And in our ancient Vedic science, it is a beautiful journey to know yourself,
Yes. Yes.
know your inner feelings.
Yeah. Yeah. So forget
Yeah.
about the sugar coating and all. So is like
Yeah.
moksha liberation or like illusion according to you? Can like spiritually like truly like can set like free, or like are we just like chasing some fairy tales about moksha and all?
See, moksha is not something swarga or narka which we have heard in our Vedic
Yes,
thing.
correct, correct.
Moksha is above that. Swarga and narka is here, where we are living now.
Yeah.
So वो बोलते हैं ना मृत्यु लोक में जन्म हुआ आपका. So मृत्यु लोक कहाँ पे है? स्वर्ग और नर्क आपका यहाँ पे. आप अंबानी के घर में पैदा हुए तो आप स्वर्ग में हैं. और वहीं आप एक लोअर फैमिली में पैदा हुए, so you are facing all your karmas of past life. So that is the clear thing. And moksha is about giving up everything and feeling contented. वो ऐसा नहीं है कि कोई rich ही contented feel करेगा. A poor can be satisfied enough. He's happy in earning like 100 rupees a bug in a day.
Correct, correct.
And having food with their family.
Yes, yes, yes. So let's talk about the dharma now. So basically, tradition versus individual freedom. Where do we like draw the line? Meaning, can we please like redefine dharma for 21st century and beyond?
Yes, because 24th century is going to be more of the artificial intelligence.
Correct.
Artificial intelligence is based on our basic roots, basic living of a human body. But actual में human का mind इतना complex है that cannot be programmed. So that's why अभी आप देखते होंगे कि कितने सारे motivational speakers आ गए अचानक से. कैसे आ गए? They are there to make you realize what you are living for. Every day you are waking up, for what you are waking up. So that is the dharma. You have to think about yourself this time in the 24th century and lay down a path for your life. What is the purpose of your life? That's the thing.
Yeah. So from caves to corporations, like we have traveled as a human, right? Some like 4,000 years back, like people were there in cave, but now like we've moved to a very like sophisticated society. How can the pursuit of Artha shape human history, and what is next? Like, are we sacrificing our dharma for the pursuit of Artha, or like what drives the 99% to like slave, being like slave for this only like Artha, while 1% like dedicate to rule or decide to like rule, or let's say they wanted to dictate this 99% who wants to become like slave for this Artha.
So I'll just give you insight about this Artha, like for like evolving stage you wanted to know. पहले क्या होता था आपको मालूम है? वो ऋषि लोग हमें श्राप दे देते थे.
Correct.
और वो हो जाता था. कैसे हो जाता? Because their intention and their purity was such a there जिस टाइप के वो केव्स में रहते थे ना, वो कॉस्मिक एनर्जी स्टोर करते थे। सो जैसे जैसे हम अपनी चीजों से दूर हटते चले गए, कंस्ट्रक्शन करते चले गए, हम कंफर्ट बनाते चले गए, वी फॉरगॉट आवर रूट्स। तो एक होता है ना कि बड़ों का क्या जिम्मेदारी होती है
Correct.
कि अपने धर्म को अपने बच्चों को आगे देना, और
Correct.
वो इंडिया का सबसे बड़ा एक अपर हैंड यूएसपी है।
Correct.
आज इतनी वर्ल्ड वाइड इतनी कुछ कैलामिटीज हो रही है, यू आर सीइंग लॉट ऑफ फ्लड्स आर कमिंग इन, आर्टिफिशियल रेन पे हम एक्सपेरिमेंट कर रहे हैं वर्ल्ड वाइड, एंड दीज काइंड ऑफ थिंग्स आर हैपनिंग वर्ल्ड वाइड, एंड इंडिया इज स्टिल पावरफुल। पीपल आर सो पॉजिटिव बिकॉज हम लोग यज्ञ करते हैं, हम लोग पूजा पाठ करते हैं घर में, हम अपना एनवायरमेंट क्लेंस करते हैं। So where positive and negative energies are balanced.
Got it.
So
Got it.
आपने जैसे इवोल्यूशन की बात की, तो इवोल्यूशन में क्या है कि अभी जैसे यंग बच्चे हैं, so they are more on the work from home mode,
Yes.
and what they are doing, eating, sleeping, sitting.
Yes.
They are not connecting with their families.
Correct.
So मैं ये पॉडकास्ट पे आपके आई इसलिए हूँ कि उनको थोड़ा सा समझ में आए कि भाई इसके अलावा भी कुछ लाइफ है,
Correct.
and they have to connect with the old stories.
Correct.
And old school ways to learn and evolve in their life. Otherwise पता है क्या है, जैसे वेस्टर्न कंट्रीज में पीपल फेस लॉट ऑफ डिप्रेशन, वो इंडिया में भी अभी आने लगा है।
That's true.
So ये एक रीजन था हैप्पीनेस का। हमारे आपने अपने बचपन में जो वो टॉफी, किस्मी टॉफी बार खा के खुशी पाई होगी, आज वो सिल्क चॉकलेट खा के भी बच्चों को नहीं मिलती।
Yes. Yeah.
So those kind of days I want to come back.
Got it.
Yeah.
So can like Artha truly buy happiness, or because like you just now talked about happiness, or like are we just like chasing fool's gold in the name of Artha? There is like no happiness like linked to the Artha like is per you.
Money is not God, but it is close to God because it fulfills your desire.
Yes.
Right? But
Yeah.
having a balance in earning and spending is life.
Got it.
If you are only thinking you want to earn and keep it, and you are not enjoying your desires, then it is no use. So then you can say, yes, we are going to be slave of that.
Got it.
Yeah.
So Ruchika, like thanks for like teaming with us. Thanks a lot. Yeah. Bye.
Thank you.